Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Kristen. I am a lover of colorful makeup and wrestling. In today's video, I am going to be doing my very first look with this Kaleidos Flower Punk palette. Very exciting. Again though, I mentioned in a previous video, again, they shorted me something. I ordered the collection with the dresser, the cute little dresser, and I got the collection minus the dresser, and there's like a $45 difference in between them, so I'm hoping that they refund me my money, because after that first day they said they were out of the dresser, so I doubt that they would be sending that out to me. So anyways, here's the packaging. If you've watched any of these before, you know that it's magnetic, so that's really cool. And this is the color story right here. Neat. Here's the front packaging. It's got a mirror in the background. It's got a long mirror. It's very light though. The packaging itself for the shadows is pretty heavy though. And this is the back. I will say with all the colors on it, I kind of expected, I guess, more pinks or like a bolder pink? I don't know. We have like sort of like peachy toned colors in here, especially when you look at the front. You look at the front, there's a lot of colors in there that, like, it's got like an orange and like a purple, and that's, well, you don't see that in the packaging. So anyways, whatever. I did my eye look with this, and I really like how it came out. I put on fake lashes even, amazing, and to complete the look, I did basic stuff, but I did use the Solar Sailor, which is like a yellowy highlighter on my cheeks and on my nose. I think it worked great with it. I didn't use all the colors in here, but upside down. So I used a little bit of Earthship in the outer corners. I used the Sun Gazer. I used Chlorophyll, Peach Soju, Novu, Stained Glass, Aloe Cove, and Mint Fever. So I actually used most of them. Actually, oh, I used all but one. I didn't use Golden Age, so actually that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, so the Chlorophyll is on the upper. We have the Mint Fever is also on the upper. And then I used Novu and Peach Soju on my lower lashes. Aloe Cove and Sun Gazer, of course, like my cut crease, although I just used the NYX glitter glue with that. And then Stained Glass I used for my inner corner and just kind of pulled it down a little bit up below on my lash line. I really liked the palette. Everything performed great. I'm just not sure if I'm ever going to order from Klydos again, because apparently they can't get their shit together. I really like their products, but you're always forgetting something, Kaleidos. Fix your shit. Anyways, I'm going to show you how I got this look. I do have super duper hooded eyes, so that's always a struggle. Hooded eye struggle. Hashtag hooded eye struggle. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I upload every single day because I am a freaking weirdo, so no need to hit your notification bell. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video of how I made this look, and I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Wow, my brows look okay. Anyways, I tried out a new brow product. It's supposed to be blonde, but it looks way too warm, so I tried going anyways. Whatever. So I'm okay, so we're using the Flower Punk palette. I got my collection in the mail today, so that is kind of cool. However, as what would appear to be usual, Kaleidos has again forgot something from my order. I don't know what's up. I don't know why they don't like me. I ordered the full set with the dresser, and I ordered at launch day, at launch time. I paid for expedited shipping so that I would get it fast. And not only did I get it at the same time that everyone else did who got regular shipping, I know because I have friends that ordered it, I also did not get the dresser. I got the set minus the dresser, and the difference in cost between the set with the dresser versus without the dresser is $45. So I'm hoping they refund me, because as of this time they say they don't have the dresser. Like, they ran out later that day. They posted on Instagram. So I haven't heard back from them yet. I did email them the day I got home from vacation. I am home. So that was not yesterday, but it was the day before. So I'll update you later then, I guess, with with what I say. So anyway, so I'm going to play with this palette. This is the Klydos Flower Punk palette. Cute packaging. I do like the detachable way that the mirror comes off. Get a little close up here, but I'm sure you've seen this before. This gold, where is it? Yeah, that one. That gold one. It came kind of that way. I've swatched these, but the gold one kind of goes all over the palette. So whatevs, I don't know what I'm doing. Super hooded eyes, but we're gonna try it out. So I think I'm gonna do shadows. I'm gonna do a cut crease, but I'm not gonna do it with eye primer. I'm gonna just use glitter glue so that I could use some of those shimmers. So I already got my primer on though. I did use my P. Louise base in Rumor 01. For some reason when I bought this I thought this was not going to last very long at all, but it has lasted forever. So, yes. So I got you really close up. I got my mirror here. I don't even know what I'm going to do. I don't even know if I'm going to edit this. Shit's been crazy. Had a crazy week. The wedding was great. Everything was great up until the end. And all I can say is fucking Irish weddings, man. There's always drama, I guess. I guess that's just how that works. So I think that I'm going to take, I don't even know. I think I'm going to take that chlorophyll. I don't know what it is about greens. I'm not going to say I don't like green, but I never thought it would be something I would use on my face. I don't know. On my eyes. I don't know, whatever. Should I do this in the inner or the outer? I'm gonna do this in the outer. And yes, do this in my outer V. And I again have super hooded eyes, so we're gonna be extending, going up very far. Because I want this color to be seen. Pretty much going to go all the way up to my eyebrows, which is something I've been very afraid to do. I don't know why. We're going all the way down to on the outer part of my eyelid, or my eyes, I guess. Yeah, we're going all the way up though. And this is just a random ass brush. I don't know. This is a Mitchell one. Okay. I went all the way to my eyebrows. Got it extended this way. I know some people say don't like drag it down very far because it'll like pull your hoods down, but my hoods are so far down. I kind of like trying to actually hide. Let me look up here. The fold comes down so far. I try to actually hide that shadow that it creates with the with my eyeshadow. So anyway, so I'm then going to take this other random brush, which is a Moda brush. And I'm going to, I think I'm going to take the Mint Fever, oh, get in focus, there we go, and put it on the inside. Inside corner. Oh, that was a lot. Very nice colors, very pigmented for sure. And I'm like, kind of doing the Frank thing. I don't know. The Dr. Frankenfurter thing. When he has his makeup on, it's like, it's all up in here, in this corner, and just, you know, goes in that way. So, cool. There is kick up in the pan a little bit, but it's a freaking powder. So, and it's gonna last you for forever. If you hit pan on this, I will I'm not gonna say eat my hat, but you know, if you hit pan on this, let me know. I want to know who actually hits pan on their eyeshadows, because I haven't yet. Although I'm still new to makeup, but you know what I mean. So I'm just kind of blending these together, sort of in the middle. With this brush. And I'm going to dip just one more little dot and just kind of see if I can make it a little bit bolder, although it's still pretty damn bold for the one dip that I did. Cool. Okay, so we've got that. So I think I'm going to take this Earthship. Yeah, I think I'm going to take that Earthship color and deepen. I had to get another brush. Deepen the outer area. I'm just going to bloop, do one little dash. See what this does. Definitely deepened it a little bit, even though I hardly have anything on this brush. I'm gonna go one more time. I don't want to do it too much though, because I don't want it to like take away from that original color, the chlorophyll. It's just really lightly, just darkening up the outer V. Yeah, cool. Cool, cool. Yeah, that works. That works pretty good. Okay. Ahaha. Alright. I have no idea what I'm doing. No, good. Thankfully I'm recording. Almost thought it wasn't. So, glitter glue time, I think. And another random brush. This is one I've used for glitter glue. And I'm using my NYX glitter glue. So I'm gonna go pretty high with this because of course I want it to be seen. I'm also gonna go into my inner corner, because that's how I like to roll with this shit. Again, I want it to be able to be seen when my eyes are open, super hooded eyes, so just keep that in mind. This is all very personal when you do cut creases, so you just have to practice, man. You just have to practice on yourself. Go. Okay, so I'm going to try and keep my eye open so it doesn't fall in on itself. And I need another brush. I need a flatter type of brush. Flat, flat. Damn, where's all my flat brushes? Fuck. Okay, sorry. So I think I'm going to take... I don't know. I don't know. Should I do gold and then, yeah. So I'm gonna take the gold one. I will say, like, swatched out, these are all amazing. Look at you. Wow. Okay, so now I'm going to take, so I got the gold, I'm going to take the Yellow Cove, the tealy whatever mint shimmer, and I'm going to go down this way with it. Ooh, that's so nice. And then I'm just going to sort of see if I can blend them together, kind of like on a diagonal. And then I'm going to go back in with the brush that I used for the gold and just kind of, I don't know, blend it a little bit so the line's not so harsh, I guess. I don't know. What am I doing? I don't know. No idea. Don't care, quite honestly. Do what I want. Ooh, this weird greeny shimmer, that's amazing. God, I hope that's coming up on camera, because beautiful shit, man. Cool. Okay. It's just got a different color. Okay. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay. Okay. So, we're gonna use this Nouveau? I don't know what it's called. Nouveau. N-O-U-V-E-A-U. Anyways, taking a small brush, like a little pencil brush, and I'm gonna use this under my eyelids. Okay, just going to use my little color switch to wipe that off. And then I'm going to go into Peach Soju, the lighter one. I'm going to use that to blend it out. Cool, okay, so let's do inner corner. I'm just going to wipe this same brush off because it is small. I'm going to use the stained glass color, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Let's see how that works. I don't know. I don't know if it will. Maybe I have to do something different. Inner corner, and then bring it downwards. A little bit. Kind of blend it up with that gold. Okay. Okay, well, that's what I got right now. I'm going to do my other eye and then do the rest of my face, then I'll be right back. Okay, so I realized I didn't put any lipstick on, so I put on one of the lipsticks from this tin. So there's four in the tin, there's 2 tins, so this is the one called Dune. I will say they all kind of look the same. All these colors kind of look the same, but whatever. I'm not going to swatch them. I'm just showing that I did get the whole collection. And then we have the other tin. So this one has like a blue in it, and it just has darker colors, so that's cool. Nice little tins. And then I did get the set, so I got the little sticker sheet. I got the Kaleidos. This is the Blue Agave Softening Lip Mask. And then the coloring book. So yes, I did get the entire set. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.